Welcome to Inventor Camp Professor. I'm Sydney, your Inventor Camp Professor, with one of hundreds of online video tutorials available free at www.inventorcamp.com 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this session, we'll be showing you the improvements that were made in Convert HSM to 5-axis. Let's take a look for a moment at the operation that I've created here using HSM's morphed option. If I go into the operation, you'll see I'm using the morph machining using a 6mm ball end mill. If you go into our constraint boundaries, you'll see that we'll be working on these surfaces over here. In addition, if we go into our link, you'll see I'll be using simple ordering and staying on the surface within 10 millimeters. Let's take a look for a moment at our simulation, and as you can see, the toolpath has been created along those surfaces exactly the way I wanted it to work. Now I'd like to change my toolpath into a 5-axis toolpath. So I'll go into the operations and choose the option of converting HSS HSM to simultaneous 5-axis. In the source operation, I'll choose the original operation as shown over here. And let's just do now save and calculate and simulate what we've got. And as you can see, we have now the exact toolpath that we had before. Now let's go back and make some changes. What we've added over here is the option of our conversion link type. Right now I've used the source links, but I can go back and do relink using all the linking options that we have inside of our 5-axis options. If we go into link, first I'll change my approach and retract to use lead in using the option of vertical tangent. Next, I'll go into my links. In my large gaps, I'll change it to follow surfaces. And in my large slices, I'll change that to blend spline. In addition, I'll go into my tool axis control and change the fixed tilt angle to 20 degrees. Now, let's do save and calculate and simulate the part. And we'll do this using Solid Verify. As you can see the tilt of the tool as it's going back and forth on the part itself. Now let me stop this now and we'll go back to our host CAD simulation. As you can see, it's now using the links that we've created in our 5-axis, using the blend spline between the larger gaps and follow surfaces on the areas between links. For more Inventor Camp Professor tutorials, please go to our website, www.inventorcamp.com, and look under the tab called Inventor Camp Professor. Thank you for joining us on Inventor Camp Professor. Take care and have a nice day.